Finish off the rear rudder in your pack 8 from the construction finishing instructions on pack 7 of the painting up to step 6, and then when we get to step 7 we're then going to be putting the left wing together. Okay, so once again, with the fret that we have here in the parts, carefully removing the parts, following the instructions, okay, up to step 9 where we'll have all the parts put together, and then once again in step 10 we'll add the ribs and then we'll get it all painted up. Okay, so we'll come back in step 10 once we've got all this constructed, and as you've done before in previous stages with the ribs and ready for step 11 onwards. Now once you've done that and you've added all the stringers, you want to take parts C70G or C70G, and that part goes here, okay, and also part C69G, as you can see, which goes here. So if you look carefully at step 11 on your instructions on page 185, and also step 14 shows you the position of where they go. Okay, and then next, once we've done that, we're going to go hold of the template, mark the template out from where the stringers go so that we can do the rivet lines, and also on panel A7BL there's a small cutout, so you're going to need to remove, and it's in between the two dots. Okay, you need to remove that stringer for access for later. Okay, so start preparing your top panel, which is A7AL, marking out all the stringers and everything as so, and then cut that out onto your metal sheet template, and next we'll come back with that done and we'll attach it to the top of the left wing section. So as you can see, we've now got the plate here, A7AL, and we've got all the rivet lines done on there, and we've given it a bit of a key on the back, and also the slight rub down on the top surface as well, and just a test fit to make sure that that sits nicely. Any trimming can be done at a later date. Okay, so once you're happy with that, we'll then glue that down, and then we'll come back and fit the bottom panel. And once you've done that, and that's all painted and the parts are on, and you're happy with your top part, you can then add AC or A7CL and A7DL to the edges, as you can see here. Okay, and then next you want to be getting the plate, and then using the measurements on step 18 of page 186, make sure that you've got the hole cut out and the plate, and then just double check, making sure that everything sits nicely. If you've got a couple of gaps here, don't worry too much about that, because we're going to be showing you later on how to make these gaps disappear. Okay, so glue that down. Okay, and then once you've done that, put that aside, because then we'll be concentrating on one of the left landing gears.